Hey everyone, welcome back to Genie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Game Stick Lite 4K memory card issue. If your Game Stick Lite 4K memory card is corrupted, misplaced, or broken, this guide will help you fix the problem that you're experiencing so that you can download and install games on a new memory card. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Extend the partition size download and install Disk Genius. This tool will help extend the partition size of your memory card. Launch Disk Genius, open the tool, and you'll see all partitions on your memory card. Extend the last partition, right-click the last partition, check the free space, and select Extend Partition. Complete the process to ensure the card utilizes all available storage. Step 2. Add games to the memory card. Organize the game files. Retrieve games from your previous memory card or download them from reliable sources. Copy games to the correct folders. Place games in their respective folders. Game Boy games in the Game Boy folder. PS1 games in the PS1 folder. Verify file structure. Ensure all files are organized properly for the game stick to recognize them. Step 3. Test your game stick. Insert the memory card. Safely eject the memory card from your PC and insert it into your Game Stick Lite 4K. Power on the device. Start the device and check if it boots correctly. Test a game. Launch your favorite game to verify that everything is working as expected. That's it for today's video. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy-to-follow troubleshooting videos from Genie. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy gaming!